Hi all. So in this video we will learn about preceding and preceding siblings and the following and following sibling. Okay. Uh, so we will directly go with example. In here I have written a XPath which is a TD tag, which text is captured like Cousin Pereira, right? So from here we will learn about preceding first, right? So I put a slash and preceding, then star, right? So it will return you all the elements, right, which is before that specific tag means Cousin Pereira's tag, which is a TD tag, right? If I navigate to 100 of 100, right, you can see that uh, ST001 is selected, which is before the Cousin Pereira's tag, right? Then preceding and then we will learn about following, right? So if I change it to following, here you can see that the first is selected as Selenium, so which is after tag of the Cousin Pereira's tag. The thing is it will select you all the elements after that specific element, so it's not goes preceding or following, not goes through the hierarchy, but any tag after the specific node is captured by following. Any node before the specific node is captured by preceding, right? Okay, then we will go with preceding sibling, right? Okay, so I changed this to preceding sibling. Okay, sibling means basically it returns the same level nodes, right? Here instead of a star I can say anyway it returns one of one, because it has only one preceding sibling, so you can use TD as well, because it's TD tag, right? Hope just assume there are a couple of preceding siblings and you need to capture the TD, then you can say TD instead of wildcard, right? Okay, so then we will learn about following sibling. Here you can see that following sibling also yeah, it has one of three, but you can't change it to TD because all the tags are TD tags, right? Following sibling has three tags, right? Three tags, all are TD tags, right? Yeah, but if you need to just capture it through the text, you can directly provide the text, but anyway you can see that sibling means same level nodes, but it's following sibling means after the specific node, but it should be a same level node, right? It's not a child or grandchild. Hope you can understand following sibling and preceding sibling, right?